Today we had a unique problem. We had ordered these sweet little aftermarket door actuators for our 04 Honda CRV off of the interwebs. And what the problem was, the clocking, trying to look at the camera and look at my parts, the clocking is different on these things. These are actually the exact polar opposite parts, but one of the things was the depth right here was different as well. So this is the original one, the green one, and then this is our aftermarket one. So when we could get this arm on here, but when we went to install it, it wouldn't allow us to put the screw in there. So we devised a scenario. We took and sharpened a flathead screwdriver, and we basically just cut that right down the side of there, and then that allowed us to separate the part and allows us to actually just separate the part, change the motor, and then we got a new motor, we got door locks that work, and everything's gravy again. So I'll do that and show you guys. So with all of our screws out of our new part, we're going to go ahead and pop it up just like that, and then we'll go ahead and remove our motor assembly, and we're going to go ahead and put it in our original part. New motor, new socket. Now, want to say something about this. Don't remove this. This is spring loaded, so you'll have to be recalibrating that to setting the spring and everything, so we don't want to do that if we can avoid it. So we're going to go ahead and slide these two pieces back together, glue them, bada boom, bada bing. You got a new part with the new motor inside it, and everything's working great, I'm sure. Jeff used the torch, heated up the tip of the screwdriver to melt on the new paw, because we had taken the paw off, and you didn't have to take the paw off. He's got super glue and some clamps to clamp the thing back together, and now they're pretty much ready for installation in a couple minutes when the glue dries. So we ended up getting it back together. Everything worked great, so I'm sure you'll be successful with that as well. Subscribe, click the notifications. Remember, if anybody else can do it, you can do it too. That I promise you. I do this stuff all the time, and I'm certain that other people can do it as well. God bless you guys. Don't be the next to them. Be the first to you. Have a great day. This is Clay.